My name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. And today we're continuing our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. You know, when we talk about family law, it's really a very broad area of the law because it includes a lot of things. Notice that when I talk about Goldman & Associates as a firm, I don't say we do divorce law. I talk about family law because family law is a much broader category. Sure, it includes divorces, but it might include custody without the benefit of a marriage. It might include certain kinds of things like probate things that have to do with things that the family are involved in. And there's a lot of things that family might get involved in their day-to-day lives that might be beyond divorce. That's why we call it family law. Now, one of the things that people might get involved in is some sort of criminal case arising out of a family situation. Could be a domestic violence, could be some assault and battery, could be something where a person does something and all of a sudden the police are involved. The smart person contacts a lawyer when he knows he's going to be charged with a crime. Why? Anytime you risk a loss to your liberty, you better get a lawyer who knows what he's doing to help you. Anytime you're at risk of getting thrown in jail, that's the time you need a lawyer. The really smart person gets that lawyer in advance, not at a time when you're being carted off to jail for fingerprinting and pictures and you yell to your family, call my lawyer. That's great to do it that way, but you know what? It's even greater to get ahead of it. So if a person thinks that they're going to be charged because, I don't know, there was an incident, they find a card from a detective attached to their door, please call me. They've received messages on their voicemail or on their answering machine. This is Detective Jones from the Sterling Heights Police Department. We need to talk to you. You know, that kind of thing. Anytime that goes on, you should be speaking to a lawyer. And the lawyer's probably going to tell you advice similar to what I'm about to tell you right now. Well, different lawyers have different approaches to this. At our firm, the general approach is that we try to make sure that the police understand that our clients, guilty or not, are expressing cooperation with the police. But there's a limit to the cooperation. Here's the limit, okay? If a person is about to be arrested, we don't make the police come to the house. We don't have them send a squad car to work. We tell them right off the bat, if there's a warrant out for my arrest, just let me know. I will bring myself in, and then we will arrange for the person to come in voluntarily. They do not have to do anything to actually get that person. They don't have to chase him around. They don't have to stake out his house, nothing. Cooperate 100%. But the cooperation ends right before the statement is taken, meaning we will cooperate in that we will bring ourselves in, but we encourage our clients, or the other way around, we discourage our clients from giving any kind of statement to the police. And the reason why that is very simple. We don't want you to say the wrong thing. You might think that you're just getting your story out there, but at the same time you might be incriminating yourself and putting yourself at the scene of the crime. If the police have a case against you, they'll charge it. They have all the manpower and all the money to be able to research something and canvass the area for witnesses and engage in all sorts of discovery and investigation in order to make their case. If after doing all that and with all those resources, they still don't have one, so they got to bring you in, are you really going to be the one that puts the nail in your own coffin? You really want to give them what they need in order to start that case against you? I think not. Now, it takes a little guts, because the police don't say, come on in, we want to try and nail down this case against you, so come on in. It's not what they say. They say, come on in, we just want to talk informally. You know, we heard a wacky story. I just want to get your side of it for the record. No big deal. You know what? If they had, again, something to charge you with, that would be a different conversation. Conversation would be, there's a warrant out for your arrest. Would you like to come in, or we're going to pick you up? That's what the conversation would be. As soon as the conversation is, we want to hear your side of the story, that means they don't have evidence. They don't have enough evidence to go without it. They're hoping you'll say something. So therefore, we, in most cases, will encourage people to avoid that and to tell the police, and blame it on us, and say, you know what, my lawyers don't let me talk to police, but I want to cooperate. So therefore, tell me, if there's a warrant out for my arrest, I'm going to bring myself in. You don't have to send a car for me. You don't have to spend dime one of the taxpayers' money to get me in. I will come in. we'll pick a time and I'll be there like the doctor's appointment. I will be happy to do that, but that's as far as the cooperation should go. Now, if you have any questions about your particular case, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.